You ready?
Yeah. Oh, goddamn, yeah, that shit hurt. Alright, I know what I'm working with now.
I told you.
Well, I'm straight, yeah.
I mean, slap you in the face so you won't feel it?
No.
Woohoo!
Don't move.